Hi everybody. So this is the career confusion or career pathway confusion resolution for one of the CAD engineer. As mentioned here, the profile is a CAD engineer. Okay, experience is actually 3.5 years. Let me just correct this. This is 3.5 years. Now the gentleman is confused whether to take up a study in Japan or to work in Japan. Okay, now study in Japan, the timeline basically would be 1 year. If you guarantee a job within a very first year, so there are chances that you're likely to get you're not likely to get a job in very first year. It may extend up to 2 year, and some people keep on studying on and on. Yeah, so now next thing is a work in Japan. Okay, so work in Japan can be, of course, there's no like designated time period. You can actually work as much as you want, so the column is blank. Okay, now initial visa provided by the company is 5 years in case of work in Japan, and by school is basically 15 months. Well, at least I got 15 months of visa. Right now the amount spent on the school will be 10 lakh school fee, which could be saving of your 2-3 years or maybe even more. Okay, and since you are studying for 1 year, in this case you will not have your 10 LP salary. For example, if you are earning a 10 LP, right? Now on the other side, if you're working in Japan, you're not losing your money. There'll be surplus of 20 lakhs. That means technically, so if you're not losing 10 lakhs and you have 20 lakhs, technically that's 30 lakhs, right? Now in case of career gap, while you study in Japan, there's going to be 1 year career gap. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are lucky, you'll get a job within the first year. But most of people are not that much lucky. So it may extend up to second year, right? So you will lose 1 year more, and there will be more gap. While you work in Japan, there's no career gap. Okay, so the eventual destiny is to work in Japan. Okay, now most of the students are slightly concerned about like the amount from India is quite cheap. So I myself being 4 years of experience, XYZ, 4 years, 5 years, I'm expecting this much. But what I would suggest is, if a company gives you a visa from India, take that visa. Okay, because there are very much less employer in Japan, one who will actually help you in converting a student visa to work visa. Okay, so this is a suggestion. So you will not regret taking the working visa, because once you have a working visa, you can switch it anytime. And Indo-Japanese companies such as L&T, HCL Japan, Infosys Japan, they're always hiring for Indian people with good JLPT and working visa people. So this the problem with this, big MNCs are they don't help in visa support changes. Yeah, so this is the video to conclude by. Thank you.